Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add decorative border to image in Outlook. So let's start it. At first open your document. Firstly open the new tab option and click the search bar option and write a decorative image border in PNG for click. Then click for the image. Then any choose decorative border image. Then download a file and go to the Outlook device option. Then firstly go into the insert menu option and click for the picture option. Then click for this device option and click for the download for decorative PNG. Then again go into the insert menu option and click for picture option. Then click this device option and then any source image. This image for click the is going to the warp text option and click for the in font of text. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my